प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट इज सिमिलर टू दिस, सो सिर्फ यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन आएगा, सम इक्वल टू, सॉरी अब हम सम नहीं लिखते, मतलब रीड करने के लिए डिफिकल्ट होता है, कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, पर हम प्रोडक्ट ले लेते हैं। अगर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स निकालना है ना हमें, तो लेट्स टेक इट प्रोडक्ट and give it 1. I will tell you further why I have taken it 1. So this is the same code. We'll ask for the elements, number of elements, then number of elements, then we'll ask for the elements of number n, and then we'll ask user to add the elements of number of elements he said. Then we'll calculate here the product of every element. So product equal to product into a of I. Got it? So how's this runs? So I have taken product equal to 1. I have taken this product equal to 1. So before we have done this sum equal to 0, पहले हमने लिया था sum equal to 0, तो sum लिखते वक्त any number added with 0 is equal to the number. So similarly in product also, any number multiplied by 1 is the number. So we have taken it here 1, product equal to 1. So if we had the number 4, 5, 6, if 1 into 4 is equal to 4, then product value is 4 here. Then 4, then again 4 into the next number after incrementing, next number, that is 5. A of 1, that is 0, 1, 2. A of 1, that is 5, then 4 into 5, that is 20. Then now the product value is 20. Then again the I plus plus, the I value increases by 1, that is 2. Then the I product, that is 20 into A of 2, that is 20 into 2 equal to 40. Now the product value is 40. Again if the I is incremented, then I is less than n, the condition is not satisfied, so the I less than n, the condition is not satisfied, so the loop terminates and the product value comes to 40. So now that is how the code is run, that is how the code is compiled in the compiler. So now we'll give the output, that is we'll print it, product equal to product and L. So आउटपुट क्या आएगा इसका, प्रोडक्ट इक्वल टू, मतलब ये सब होने के बाद एंटर द एलिमेंट्स, यूज़र को यूज़र सब इनपुट देने के बाद, डेटा देने के बाद हम डायरेक्टली उसका प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट इक्वल टू 40, जैसे हमने कैलकुलेट किया था, 4 into 20, 4 into 5 into 6, सॉरी वो कैलकुलेशन गलत हो गया शायद से, 4 into 5 into 6, यानी कि 4 into 5 20, 20 into 6 that is 120. सो ऐसे कैलकुलेट होता है, मैंने गलत किया